Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In today's class, we will start a new chapter. Okay, that is data handling. It is chapter 18 of your book. Otherwise, it is chapter 18 from your book. Okay, so this chapter deals with arrangement of data. So first is exercise 18. Exercise 18 question number 1 says that Rajat played the following game in the class. Rajat, okay, he is a student of, might be a particular class, you may consider from your class itself. So he gave a ball to each student and asked them to toss the ball into the air and clap their hands. Rajat, okay, a particular student, gave one ball to each of the students. Suppose if there are say 30 students in a class, out of this student one is Rajat. This Rajat gave each ball to each student, okay, and then he asked them to throw that ball in the air and clap their hands, okay, so till the ball returns back to their hand. Then what is said is each student counted the number of times he clapped his hands before catching the ball. How many times? Suppose if I have thrown a ball up, if I started clapping, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, then the ball comes back. Then once the ball comes back to my hand, I have clapped how many times? 6 times. So in similar manner, other students also did the same thing, okay. Before catching the ball, the information is given below. So first student, this is given in your, you refer your book, okay, for the question. First student clapped 2 times. Second student also clapped 2 times. Third clapped 1 time. Fourth clapped 5 times. Similarly, other students. Total how many students are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 students are there. Okay. Individually they clapped. Some clapped 2 times. Some clapped 1 times. Some clapped 3 times, some 4, and some 5. Maximum they have clapped 5 times. Okay. So your question is, using tally system, represent the above information in a tabular form and then draw its pictograph using one circle. This circle, okay, for one clap. One circle for one clap. So first let's draw the table, tally table. Above information in tabular form. Okay, table. We have to make the table. Okay, for table, first write number NUMBR, number of. Right now you don't make this, okay, don't write this part. You let me complete first and then you write, otherwise you have to, your table becomes wrong. Okay, number of claps, frequency, okay, tally max, after that frequency, otherwise number of students, number of claps means some have clapped 1 time, some 2, some 3, some 4, and some 5. So 1 clap, 2 claps, 3 claps, 4 claps, and 5 claps. This. Okay, so you use scale and pencil for making this table. Do it properly, neatly. Okay. So 1 clap, 2 claps, 3 claps, 4 claps, and 5 claps. Number of claps. Now tally max means how many times this one has repeated here. How many times one occurs, that you have to keep on writing. Okay. So this one, this, and this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 1 has occurred. So one line for 1. Okay, 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and fifth line you are not supposed to draw like this. Fifth line you have to cross like this. I'll cross with this green color. Okay, I have to cross like this. Fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth line you have to cross. Okay. Frequency means how many times it has occurred. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 5 you write it. Number of students who clapped once while throwing the ball in air is 5 students did. Okay. So remember this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be like this. Okay. Another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will come like this. Fifth line will be this tilted like this. Okay. Slash. Next, 2 claps. You count 2 claps. 2 claps. This, 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 this and this. So how many 2 claps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. With this it becomes 5. With this it becomes 5. Okay, and then 6 separately 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 like this. Okay, remember this part. Tally marks. Okay, let me count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6. So here you have to write 6. Frequency. Number of students who clapped twice while throwing the ball is 6. Okay. Now next, 3 claps. 3 claps means I'll mark star. 1, 2, with this 3. 1, 2 and 3. So tally marks 1, 2, 3 like this. 3 lines. Okay, you have to draw. Add frequency means 3 here. Next, 4 claps. How many 4s are there? 4. I'll make triangle like this. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 4s are there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 with this 5 with this 5. Okay, and ultimate one is 6. 6 times here 6. Frequency number of occurrences of 4 is 6 times. Okay. 5. How many 5s you have? 1, 2, 3. 3 5s are there. 3. So 1, 2, 3. Here you write 3. So this is the table. Representation of given data in tabular form. Okay. So number of claps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maximum 5 is there. And tally marks is this. Remember this, how to mention. Suppose if you want to write 10. Okay. By using tally marks, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this. Okay. So table is completed. Now next we have to make pictograph using solver. Pictograph we have to make. You make this table properly. Okay. 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 3, 4, 6, 5, 3, 12, 18, 20. Okay. So I'll erase this part. pictograph. 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 Next we have to make pictograph for the same data. Okay, for pictograph, clapped. Number of times each student clapped. Okay, you have this. You make it afterwards. Okay, once I complete everything, then only you make it. One clap, two claps, three claps, four claps, and five claps. Claps is one claps, two claps, three, four, five. Okay, one claps. How many students made one claps? Means five students, isn't it? I have already shown you in previous table. So you have to represent picture by the circle. This, it is there in your book. Okay, each clap you have to represent by this circle. So five circles you have to make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose if you are asked to represent each clap by the symbol this triangle, then you have to make 5 triangles, because one clap is made by 5 students. Okay, so 5 circles. Next, 2 claps is made by 6 students, so make 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 circles. Okay, next, 3 claps is made by 3 students, so 1, 2, 3. Picture you have to give this circle. It is already given in your question. Okay, you have to make circle. Sometimes you will be asked to make the picture of this triangle. Sometimes you will be asked to make a streak for each data. Okay, so 3. Next, 4 claps is 6 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next, 5 claps is 3 students. 1, 2, 3. So this is the pictograph of the given data. Okay, next question is also similar type of question. So question number 2 is your home task. You do it and send me your works. Okay, thank you. This much for today's class.